My dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss how to find the factors if negative factors of a numbers to factorize these polynomials. One of our students asked me a doubt, so I thought to teach you again. So for that I have taken four different polynomials, quadratic polynomials, and I am going to solve it for you, and I am going to show you how to find the trick to how to find where we have to write minus, where we have to write the plus. So the first case, if you see that these two, first one, if you see that here all are positive, here is middle term is negative. If you see that constant term, this constant term, both are positive. This is the first key here. So that constant term is positive. What happens if the constant term is positive? Okay, and also we have to see that here these two are also positive. So basically the product, we have to, how to select the product, of it. We have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 6 into 2, 12. So the product is positive. Here also we can see that 5 into 6, 30. The product is positive. And let us see the sum. Sum we have to select from the middle term. So here is negative 11. Okay. So let us see the factors of these two numbers. Factors of 12. So now when we take two numbers and multiply, we should get 12. When we add or subtract, we should get 8. So we can say the factors of 12 is 1 into 12, and we can see that is 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So which one of it, when we add we get 8 or subtract we get 8, that is this 2 into 2 and 6. So that numbers we can write 2 and 6. Since it is positive, positive into positive, positive. So we get here is positive 6 and positive 2. So this we can erase it now. So these are numbers. So we can write here x, here also we can write x here, and we can after that, what is the coefficient here? That with the coefficient we have to divide it, these numbers, by 6, and here also by 6. So what we get? So here we get x plus 2 by 6 into x plus 6 by 6. So equal to 0 we can write. Okay. So this we can simplify, x plus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3 or x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to, we have positive 1, so we get x is equal to another one, x is equal to minus 1. So these are two factors. Let us see for this one. So here when we multiply two numbers, we should get 30, and add we get minus 11, but here is positive, but here is negative. So in this case we have to write both numbers are negative, because here both, if it is negative into negative, positive, same way positive into positive, negative. So negative into negative, positive. So we are searching for two negative factors. So which one is we are getting? 11. So 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. So which one we get? 11. When we add or subtract, we get 11 from 5 into 6. We can write minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, minus 5 and minus 6. We can write here x, here also write x, and this we are having coefficient, so we have to divide by this coefficient. So finally we can write as x minus 5 by 5 into x minus 6 by 5 equal to 0. So we can write this 5 by 5 is 1, x minus 1 is, x minus 5 is 1, and x minus this one we can write as minus of same as 6 by 5 equal to 0. So here we can write x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 by 5 is equal to 0. So values of x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5 by 6 by 5. So next one, this one we have to write it. So we have to find the code. So next type here, if you see third and fourth, here when we multiply the product of this will be negative. For example, 7 into 8 minus 56. Same way 3 into minus 4 minus 12. So here the product is negative. And if you see here, what is sum? Sum, if you take here is 26, here is sum is minus 1. Okay, so here positive and here is negative. But the product is negative, we are getting. So let us see the factors of 56, which is we are getting, either we are adding or subtracting, we get 26. So that is 28 into 2 is 56. 28 minus 2 is 26. So here we get 28 positive and we can take 2 is negative. So positive 28 and negative 2. So another thinking of it, ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ then the greater number, ഈ പ്ലസ് മൈനസിലുള്ള greater numberന് നമ്മൾ പ്ലസ് കൊടുക്കണം. If it is plus here is greater number. Let us see for this one. So we can see, we know that 4 into 3 is 12. So we can write factors of 4 and 3 by, because the difference of these two is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4, but here negative, which means either one is positive, another one is negative. Either positive, either negative. Since this one is negative, so greater number goes negative. Here it is positive. So if the sum is positive, the greater number will be positive. If the sum is negative, greater number is negative. Okay. So here we can write x. Here also x divided by 7, this coefficient. So x plus 28 by 7 into x minus 2 by 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 28 by 7 is 4, right? So we can write x plus 4 into x minus 2 by 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 2 by 7. These are things. So here if you see this one, same way we can write here x, this also we can write x here and divided by 3. So we can divide it by 3 here. So we can write x minus 4 by 3 into x plus 3 by 3 is equal to 0. X minus 4 by 3 into this one we can write x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 by 3, x is equal to minus 1. So like that we can find out the zeros easily. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching.